Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And this is part 2 of my little mini clubbing, going out, homecoming, whatever you want to do, special occasion type of makeup. But welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to focus more on the eyes. If you have not seen my last video and you want to see how I got this makeup face look, I'm gonna leave the video up in the cards, and I'm also gonna link this video down below for you, okay? But if you want to see how I got this eye look here, then let's get on with the video. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit. A little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, so let me move my mirror so I can see myself. So I was thinking more of a simple eye, you know, something not too complicated. But I'm gonna prime my eyes using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, and this is in the color Caramel. I'm just gonna put this on my eyes like so. I like to do my face before I do my eyes. It's just, I feel like I can't envision what makeup look I want to do if I don't have my face done first. And I'm just going to set my eyes with a little bit of my banana powder from ColourPop. Do you guys see this highlight? Yeah, it's highlight. Anyways, we're too excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill, with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's this beautiful palette right here. And this is the Ring the Alarm palette, and it's this beautiful palette right here. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush, and I just like to wipe away any product that I might have on my eyes. I'm gonna go in first with Rush, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna put that above our crease right here. We're gonna put that in our crease as well. And the reason why I am going to do my face first, because I know and trust these palettes that I'm using, that I know I'm not going to have any fallout. If you don't know if you're going to have any fallout on your face, I suggest you do your eye look first. And I'm going to go in with my Color Switch Duo. I think this is the Veromona. This is the Veromona Color Switch little switchy thingy. And I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with Alert, and put that everywhere we put Rush. Let me see, yes, because Alert is a little bit darker, just like so. And we're doing it just messy. I'm not being too precise, being kind of messy with it. And now I'm gonna clean my brush again with a Veromona, and now I'm gonna go in with Mugshot. I'm gonna go in with Mugshot. I'm going with Mugshot. Now I'm gonna add this one a little, like, more into the crease. I'm still just tapping into Mugshot, you guys. And I'm just deepening everything up. In the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Alert in the lower lash line. And I like to connect it out with the my outer corner right here. Oh, and this is the Jessup Small Tapered Blending Brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with a smaller tapered brush, Also more pointed as well. Can you guys see that? This is the Morphe M507 brush, and I'm gonna go in with Secret because I want the lower lash line to be a little bit smoked out. And I'm gonna just put that closer to the lash, to the waterline. And I'm not gonna bring it in as much as I brought in Alert. I want to keep it in the outer corner. I want to keep it out more like if I'm trying to wing it out. I'm just going very lightly, you guys. I'm not going in too harsh. Then I do want to deepen up the outer corner right here in my crease. Just a little bit. And just tap one time and going into the crease. And now for the star of the show, I am going to use my Stila Diamond Dust Glitter, which is this guy right here. So excited to use this. This is my first time using it and I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna just put it on here and then I'll clean it up with my finger. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna go in with my finger and tap it out. It doesn't have to be perfect. And if you mess up, you can always blend it out with your brush. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. We're gonna let that dry a little bit. This is my first time using this, you guys, so I'm gonna let that dry, okay? That's dried down just a tad bit. I'm gonna go in with Mugshot with my M444 brush, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. Just, you know, it to look a little bit more put together. Oh my god, this is beautiful, you guys. This is like a perfect like homecoming look or date night or going to the club type of look. And you guys, that's really it for the eyes, like for the eyeshadow. Okay, you guys, so next we are going to do the lashes. Actually, first we're gonna go in with, before I do my lashes, I want to go in with the this is the Maybelline Long Lasting Waterproof Gel Pencil, and this is in the color Soft Nude, and it's this guy right here. And I'm gonna put that. Oh, I have fallout on my face. I have glitter, just a little bit. It's okay, just a little bit. Just a little bit. So we can look a little bit more awake. We are gonna go in and do our lashes. First, we can't forget to curl the lashes. So first, always curl your lashes. I like to curl my lashes like 2 times. Now we're gonna go in with that mascara. I'm also gonna go in with the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, which is this one right here. This is my little deluxe size that I got. I'm not really big on buying mascara, high-end mascara, like the full size one, because I don't want to spend so much on mascara, to be honest. So that's why I always have like the little mini versions of high-end mascaras. And I have so many, so I never use a whole tube of mascara, to be honest. And for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna use the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash, which is this guy right here. Do you guys see my lashes? I've been growing them out with what's it called? Castor oil. The best thing ever. I promise you, it's the best thing ever. So let me zoom out. These are the eyes. But let me zoom out just a little bit. Oh, zoom in. Let me zoom out. Okay. So next, you guys, I want to add a little bit of highlighter to under my brows. Actually, since I have another palette in front of me, I'm gonna go in with the Flower Beauty palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm gonna add that to under. Ooh. Ooh. Highlight for up brow highlight. And I want to make this pop a little bit more. I'm gonna add that to the inner corner as well. See? Just like so. Okay. And I am going to set my brows, because in the last video I didn't set my brows. You guys know I usually wait to the end of me doing my makeup always to set my brows. And yeah, you guys, oh my gosh, I love this look. I want to go out now, but I can't because we're under hurricane watch. So, but that is not it. I'm going in with this lip right here. This is the NYX Sleep Tease lip lacquer, and this is in the shade Spice Spelled. I love the name of this shade. So you guys, if you get these lipsticks, be careful, because sometimes the stopper unscrews with the cap and waste a lot of your lipsticks. So be careful. Oh. Oh. This smells very, oh my gosh, it smells minty. To be honest, this smells like mint chocolate. I don't like mint chocolate. You could totally do a nude lip, but I wanted to go more bold because I've been living for this lip. I love, love, love this look. You guys have no idea how much I love this look. I want to go out right now. I do not want to stay home. I want to go out. Guys, this is the look. A trick that I have for if you ever have this problem, basically you do this. You see that? That would have been on your teeth. You're welcome. It looks very sexual, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Right. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is such an easy look to achieve. Hope you guys really enjoyed this look. But yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I had to think about that one. And make sure you read the description box below so you could follow me on my social medias. And yeah, see you in my next video, guys. Bye.